Samsung has finally launched two new smartwatches, Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and both these smartwatches run on Wear OS and use the same processor, memory and storage. They even feature same activity and health tracking features, but they do have some key differences that you might not know. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish and today in this video I am going to tell you about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which one is better and which one you should buy. So make sure you stick until the end of the video to know more. So now without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So the Galaxy Watch 4 comes in 40mm and 44mm variants, while the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic comes in 42mm and 46mm variant. The 40mm version of Galaxy Watch 4 and 42mm version of Galaxy Watch 4 Classic have 1.19 inch of display, while the 44mm version of Galaxy Watch 4 and 46mm version of Galaxy Watch 4 Classic have 1.36 inch of display. Both these smartwatches use circular AMOLED display with pixel density of 330 ppi and up to 1000 nits brightness. And now if I talk about the design, then the Galaxy Watch 4 features an aluminum case, while the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic uses a stainless steel case. Both the smartwatches comes in silicone bands that can be easily replaced with any standard 20mm strap. These devices also features IP68 rating for dust and water resistance up to 5 ATM, and the smaller sized variant of these two smartwatches powered by a 247 mAh battery, while the larger one uses a 361 mAh battery. However, Samsung is promising 40 hours battery life for all the Galaxy Watch 4 variants. Samsung has equipped both its smartwatches with Exynos W920 processor, 1.5GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. The Exynos W920 chipset is made using 5nm process and features 1.25x faster processing with up to 10x smoother graphics performance compared to the Exynos 91110 chipset that is used in Galaxy Watch, Galaxy Watch Active, Galaxy Watch Active 2 and the Galaxy Watch 3. Now other than this, the smartwatches also let you pay via Google Pay or Samsung Pay. The Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic features an accelerometer, barometer, compass, GPS, gyro, heart rate monitoring and ECG. Both new smartwatches can track activities, SpO2 level, sleep, stress and workout tracking. They also feature an fat body composition measurement and fall detection. Both these smartwatches feature dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, a loudspeaker, a microphone and a QI wireless charging. Now after comparing both these smartwatches, I feel that the major difference between both these smartwatches is the design, and other than the design, there are some minor differences, such as the Classic comes in two colors, silver and black, whereas the Watch 4 comes in one additional color, that is the pink gold color. And other than the design and the color difference, there is one more difference, which is the weight. The Watch 4 is lighter than the Watch 4 Classic. Now talking about the price, the Galaxy Watch 4 is priced at $249, whereas the Watch 4 Classic is priced at $349. And for me, I feel that both these smartwatches have minor differences and the major difference is the design. But personally, I feel that paying $100 more for a minimal design upgrade, I don't think that this is a good option. So I would definitely go for Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and will save $100 over the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So guys, you also let me know in the comment section below that which smartwatch will you go for, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Also subscribe to my channel and stand a chance to win all new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So guys, that's it for now. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.